Tired of messy draw.io diagrams where shapes are all scattered across one chaotic canvas? Learn to organize them into layers in under 5 minutes. It makes editing so much easier. Here's the plan. We'll open your diagram, create some dedicated layers, and then move your shapes into them using a simple little menu. Let's jump right in. Start from your Jira dashboard. Go ahead and open up your Jira account. I'm assuming you're already working on a project here, so just log in and navigate to wherever your diagram lives. Now, navigate to your actual diagram. Find it on your board or in your project's files and open it up. This might take a second to load, especially if it's a complex diagram with a lot of shapes. Here's where the magic starts. To open the Layers window, press Ctrl, Shift, and L on your keyboard all at the same time. That's a great shortcut to remember. A small panel should pop up on the right side of your screen. This is your Layers panel. All right, now let's create some layers. In that Layers window, look for a small plus sign icon. Click on it. This tells draw.io that you want a new, separate layer to put things on. A text box will appear. Type a meaningful name for your layer, something like background, or user flow, or components. Then just press Enter on your keyboard. That's it. You've created a new layer. Now for the main event. Let's move a shape or an object into that new layer. First, highlight or select all the shapes you want to move. You can click and drag a selection box around them, or hold down the Shift key and click on each one individually to select them. Make sure everything you want to move is highlighted. Once your shapes are selected, go back to the Layers window. Look for an icon that looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. It's usually near the top or bottom of that panel. Click on that. A drop-down menu will appear. Hover your mouse cursor over the option that says Move Selection to. Don't click it yet, just hover over it. A submenu will pop out showing all the layers you've created, plus the default layer. Now, simply click on the name of the layer where you want to move those shapes. And just like that, your shapes are organized into that new layer. Now you can hide that layer, lock it, or move more shapes around. I've tested this workflow a bunch of times with different diagrams, and it really changes how manageable your work becomes. Instead of one big mess, you've got a clean, organized structure where you can control exactly what's visible and editable. Give it a try on your next diagram.